Welcome to Veeam Partner Summit. Again, we have tons of news that we want to share with you. And some really cool stuff as well. We've also asked some of our alliances to share their views. So get ready. I mean, the way we built this summit today is divided into two parts. This is the first part where we have entire Nordics. And then we will split into local groups and switch to local languages. A lot has changed since we did the last Partner Summit. Most of us are at home and or working remotely. Who would have known a year ago? I mean, think about it. During these times we've seen a massive digital transformation. Remote working, utilizing Teams and Zooms, and can you imagine the speed of our industry and how fast it's actually moving? What's really interesting is that the fact that all these massive changes are powered by data. When I say these changes are powered by data, it's actually perfectly aligned with Veeam's vision. Our vision at Veeam is to be the most trusted provider of backup solutions that deliver cloud data management. Within the last year or so, we have solved many cloud-related challenges. You're now able to protect your customer's environment, regardless where the data resides. On-prem, obviously, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform. We have also introduced the leading product for Kubernetes data protection. So obviously, later today, when you hear more about Veeam Backup and Replication version 11, you will hear about continuous data protection. No more need for third-party products. So it's all built in Veeam. If your customers are struggling with ransomware, we have now the mechanism to protect backups from being deleted, either by mistake or by malware. Or if your customers are now thinking about how could they reduce their long-term data storage costs, 3-2-1 rule, one copy offsite, so your customers can now archive to cloud and use cloud as the offsite copy location for their data. So when you listen to today's discussions and presentations, so keep in mind that this gives you many business opportunities. Make sure you utilize the information when talking to your customers. The intel that you're going to get is something that obviously makes sure or secures you being the thought leader in front of your customers. So make sure you have some hot coffee with you and sit back and try not to get distracted with all the emails and other distractions. Perfect, we are good to begin. So I will now pass the mic to our regional sales directors, Victor and Jesper. Gentlemen,